Hello everyone. This is Kiki. Today, this fan's watch has no issues. He simply wants to replace it with a stainless steel bezel. He has been wearing this watch for 2 to 3 years. He hopes the stainless steel will last him a few more years. Next, Kiki prepares the heat box, heating to soften the adhesive. Then, he uses a prying tool to cut through the waterproof adhesive bit by bit. He finds the ribbon cable buckle. He removes the screen. He applies alcohol, softening the battery adhesive. He lifts the battery. He removes the battery. Next, he starts to remove the vibration motor. The vibration motor. He successfully removes it after unscrewing the back cover screws. Removing the back cover is similar to removing the screen. He uses a prying tool to cut through the waterproof adhesive bit by bit. The back cover comes off easily. He removes the speaker next. Finally, only the crown is left. Using a professional crown removal tool, he removes the crown. Now all the components have been removed. He takes out the stainless steel bezel to have a look. Isn't it beautiful? No more talking. He starts reassembly in reverse order. First, he puts the crown back in. He screws it in. He gives the speaker a quick clean. After that, he installs the middle frame. He puts the back cover and motherboard back. He screws in the fixed screws. He installs the vibration motor. He reconnects the battery and connects the screen to test it. All functions are working fine. Finally, he restores the airtightness. The middle frame has been replaced successfully. It feels completely renewed. He believes this watch can last another 3 to 5 years without any issues. If you want to replace your watch case with stainless steel, feel free to consult him.